Hello students. So today I'm going to start the input devices. Already I explained you what are the input devices and some input devices. So some input devices are left. So first one is graphics tablet. So children, graphics tablet means we have a pad like a this type of, this is pad like a, and we have a pen, that is the light pen, right children? And both are connected to the CPU. And when we start the light pen, start the writing with the help of right pen and in the pad, so that image insert into the computer. Means suppose we need to signature in this pad, like this signature in this pad, so they signature signature goes to electronic form into the computer and it will be converted to the digital form right now. So graphics tablet also a input device, right? And graphics tablet second example is like a um, laptop. In this laptop given the mouse pad right now, so that is also example of graphics tab, right? Okay, then after touch screen, touch screen like our mobile. So in the touch screen, given the sensor, point, like when we click on close this window, when we click on this window, the sensor generate the sensor, and this instruction goes to the digital format and mobile or touch screen work. Okay, after then joystick. So student, joystick is like a lever. So so many game devices use a lever, okay na, like this type of lever, okay, handle, and you have to move left, right or center. And next example is a joystick like a your old mouse. And that mouse we have a ball, है ना, blue side a ball, and that ball touch to the like this type of circuit. Okay, so our joystick also work same pattern. Okay, when we move this handle, means joystick move this side, so this circuit is process, or this circuit is generate. Okay, so means electronic signals goes to the computer or CPU, so it will be work, right children? So this is the joystick. Basically game devices are used. Okay, now next is webcam. Webcam also a input device. Everybody know webcam use in the basically use in the like online classes and click the photos. Okay, and when we have to online, and that time we use a webcam. It will be work with the help of internet, because our picture generate into the picture format and goes to the computer in electronic, means digital format. And that digital format with the help of modem or internet go to the another system or another computer. So that is the webcam, right children? It is also a digital capture device. Now next children is output device. Output device, what do you mean by output device? Means display our data. That is the output device. Means they are peripheral device. Output device also are peripheral devices, and they are convert the computer output to the hard copy or display properly to the user. So peripheral devices means those devices are attached outside the computer, that is known as peripheral devices. Okay, now output device. First one is monitor. It is a very very important part. Monitor is an output device and it is also a peripheral device. With the help of monitor, we can show or display output. And what is the working in your computer? So monitor screen display all the things, means processing, inputting, and clicking, and painting. So many things are displayed with the help of monitor. So it is also a output device. Now next is printer. Printer also a peripheral device, and it generate hard copy with the help of printed format. Right, children? So printer is a peripheral device. It generates hard copy with writing form on the paper. Okay. After that, printer also display the text, images. Okay. Speaker also output device, because some listening music, sound, movies. Okay, na? So that time we need to the speaker, because voice is coming, means from the computer voice is coming outside, that is the output, right now. So speaker. Now plotter also a output device. It is a printing device. It also a print your material, text, images, pictures. Then after, children, storage device. You know what do you mean by storage device? Basically two type of storage device: internal and external. Okay. So internal storage device means those devices are attached into the computer, that is known as internal, and external means those devices are attached outside the computer, that is the storage external. Or and secondary storage are basically two type: primary and secondary. So primary also storage means like a RAM, ROM, and secondary like a hard disk, floppy disk, CD-ROM, etc. They all are okay, students. So RAM and ROM, they all are primary memory. So now, children, they all are example of secondary storage device. So I explain you. First one is floppy disk. Floppy disk a very good storage device, but it is a very small data store. Okay, like in MB, I think 25 or 30 MB data. Right, children? Floppy disk. It is a plastic device. Inside the plastic, given a plate. That plate store data. Okay. Now next is CD-ROM. Full form is compact disk read-only memory. So student, CD-ROM also a input device. In that device, we have to store our data, store permanently. Right? Next is HDD, means hard disk. You know, everybody hard disk inside the computer. Hard disk is attached like they are very big storage device. Very big storage device. Storage device. It store our data 500 GB, 1 TB. So it is a very biggest storage device, and it is also a permanent storage device, right? Now DVD, digital versatile disk. CD-ROM store 700 MB data, and DVD store 4.5 GB data. Full form is digital versatile disk. It is also a looking like a CD-ROM, DVD looking like a CD-ROM. Okay, but its color like a blue. So that is the DVD, and its color is like a white color. So that is the CD-ROM. So DVD store 4.5 GB data, and CD store only 700 MB data. Now USB flash means USB drive, right? Pen drive. So it is also a large storage device, but basically it store 2 GB, 3 GB, 8 GB, and 4 GB, and 32 GB, and 64 GB, like this. Blu-ray disc like a DVD, but it store very large data. I think 20 GB data. Right children? So they all are storage device. Okay students.